Amazon affiliate marketing allows individuals to earn commissions by promoting products available on Amazon. With its vast product range and established trust, it offers significant passive income potential. Utilizing Pinterest as a traffic source is unique, given its visual nature and strong user engagement, driving targeted traffic effectively. To set up your Amazon affiliate account, visit the Amazon Associates website and complete the registration process. After account approval, familiarize yourself with the dashboard, which features essential tools such as product links, reporting metrics, and promotional banners that will aid in tracking your performance and optimizing your strategy. Creating a Pinterest business account is crucial for marketers. Start by visiting Pinterest for Business and following the setup steps, including verifying your website. A business account provides access to analytics, promoted pins, and additional features like rich pins, enhancing your marketing efforts and engagement with your audience. PinTrafficMachine is an innovative tool designed to streamline Pinterest marketing efforts. It automates the pinning process, ensuring consistent posting that increases visibility. By leveraging features like scheduling and analytics, users can effectively drive more traffic to their content, maximizing engagement and potential affiliate conversions. Crafting effective pins is essential for success on Pinterest. Use high-quality images that capture attention, paired with engaging titles that spark curiosity. Incorporate clear calls to action to guide viewers on what to do next, maximizing click-through rates and encouraging interaction with your affiliate links or content. To optimize your pins for SEO, incorporate relevant keywords in both the pin descriptions and titles. Use keyword-rich hashtags and consider using user-friendly language. Implement Pinterest SEO strategies such as utilizing boards effectively and engaging consistently to improve visibility and searchability, driving more traffic to your content. Monitoring traffic and conversions is vital to gauge the effectiveness of your Pinterest marketing efforts. Utilize Pinterest Analytics and the Amazon Associates dashboard to track performance metrics. By analyzing this data, you can adjust your strategies, optimize content, and enhance engagement for better results over time.